my go-to style. I just do my baby hair. I did oil my scalp. I think I see some oil right there. Yes, I oiled my scalp with my castor oil, almond oil, tea tree, lavender, rosemary mix. If anybody has followed my alopecia journey, I showed how I make my concoction. That's how I cured my own alopecia. So that's what I use for my scalp. What else? Oh, you guys, you probably don't care. This has nothing to do with locks, but I definitely had a soy reaction on my face. So my face has just been going through it, but it's almost back to normal. Now I just gotta get rid of all these marks. Soy is just no bueno. I do not eat it, and I'm allergic to it. And if you eat it, you should not eat it because it's not good for you. Okay, now I'm gone. Bye. So I just took out my faux locks. So this is what my hair is looking like. And I am, let's see, I think a week and a half shy of 3 months locked. OMG, yes, it is April. I am almost 3 months locked. So I'm going to go wash my hair. Obviously my locks are much more stretched because they were under my faux locks. Obviously don't have as many clips to show you guys because I had faux locks, obviously. So I'm going to definitely be showing you probably the last like week and a half what my hair's been looking like daily. And after I take the shower and wash my locks, I'll show you what they look like because I'm sure they're gonna shrink back up after they dry because these are definitely stretch locks. So I just finished showering. My locks are not soaking wet, but they are damp. And this is what we're looking like. So this is my new growth. It would be a 2-month stretch of me not retwisting since I didn't last month. But once I hit this next month mark, I'm for sure gonna get a retwist if I don't do it myself. But for sure, I'm doing a retwist once I hit the 3-month mark. I'm just happy that they shrunk back up because they were stretched for so long, so we're good. And don't mind the fact that I did not make my bed yet. I just woke up not too long ago, so let me live. And I make my bed every day. Hey my lovelies, so I'm coming back. This is like a week and 4 days shy of 3 months, and this is what I'm looking like. I just sprayed it with some water with almond oil as I usually do. I had to retwist halfway this one because you could see how much thinner it is at the bottom than it is at the top, so I had to like retwist that. But as far as any of the other ones, I have not had to do any retwist. It looks like 2 strands still, but there's still, you know, more success as far as budding goes. Like, is it this one? Yeah, this one right here. And I'm thinking I'm actually going to retwist maybe in the next couple of days. So if I do, I will come back after that. But still just my norm. So I'm going to Jamaica in a couple weeks, and I'm contemplating if I want to go like this or if I'm gonna put some short faux locks in just for that time period. I haven't decided yet, so I'll keep you guys posted on that too. So alright, so I am retwisting my hair. I have one more left. I am about a week and 2 days from 3 months. As you can see, this is on my new growth right here because I did not retwist once I hit 2 months. So this is like a almost 7-week wait before I did my next retwist. And it actually has been pretty easy. So I'm gonna finish this one, I'll be right back. So this is my retwist out. And I would say that it's getting more crazy because now it's like I look at my hair and I'm like, okay, you're really growing locks. Like now that I have like this retwist, because before the retwist was just like, oh, you just have like 2-strand twists. But this time I'm actually like, girl, you is on a lock journey. So I'm actually going to the beach right now, which is like no bueno for a retwist. So I'm actually gonna put on a hat And you know, my head has always been so big, but since my hair is like, you know, kind of like concise right now, it's not out and about, I can actually fit a hat. So that is what I'm gonna put over my head, and we're gonna see if that holds my retwist. I don't think it's gonna be too humid at the beach. Cross fingers. I think my retwist will last. So that's, you know, that's the key. So I'm just gonna throw a hat on, but another successful retwist with just oil and water. And I have a shirt on. So, hi guys. It is, I think 4 or 5 days before my 3-month anniversary. And this is what my locks look like. I actually washed my hair earlier with the stocking cap, the wig cap, for the very first time. And what I can say is, I think I took it off too soon because my retwist is not completely retwisted anymore. Like some of the locks are, but like this side, some of them came like loose. None of them like unraveled, but they just came kind of loose. But this side is pretty much still, I think, intact. But I think I'm going to have to stretch it out further. If I do a retwist, I'm gonna try not to wet my hair for like at least a week. It's just hard because I've been wearing a lot of ponytails, and I feel like that's like prolonging my locking process, just because I'm constantly stretching the 2 strands so they're not able to, like, I guess, tangle on themselves like as fast as they probably would if I just let them live their life like this. I'm probably gonna retwist again, not this week, but the following week, just because again, a lot of them are loose. So yeah, and then I think I'm gonna go another month and a half to 2 months for my next retwist, but we shall see. But just a quick hair update. This is what I'm looking like. They're completely dry right now. So they're shrunken up. But yeah, they have movement. I oiled my scalp. Yeah, right back. Okay, 3 months. I see you. Look at my little lock. You see that? That looks like a legitimate lock. I'm so hyped. Just showing you some clear shots. Or close-up shots, I should say. This is exciting. That's like lock. This whole thing looks like a real lock. Hello, my lovelies. I'm coming at you guys with a 3-month update. I actually can't believe it's been this long. Don't get fooled by this little section right here, because this is the only section that stayed retwisted after I did this retwist. So this is looking all fresh, but in between that we have working with this. This is what we're working with. All this is what we're working with. So some of the things that I struggled with basically getting to month 3 is, one, I've had major itchy scalp. So I looked it up and I seen that was like an actual common thing. So the issue with me is I'm not the type of person who can go weeks without washing my hair. I need some type of water on my hair, because even before I twisted my hair up for these locks, I was the natural that was literally wetting my hair all the time. I was not the one wearing a style for a week. That was never me, because I just like water, and I just like for my scalp to like just, I don't know, get wet. I don't know. So I tried my hardest after I did this retwist to wait a week before putting any water on my hair. So I just been like wrapping my hair. Even when I was working out, I think I used a bandana. I tried that method. I'm not really sure if it worked as of yet. I'm gonna try again, but okay, let me go back to what I was saying. So I tried to keep it for a week, the retwist, so that I could stay like, you know, good. So then I was like, let me wash my hair. It was itchy, and I was like, why are you so itchy? I'm not used to itchy scalp. I never really have that issue. So I washed my hair, and I put the wig cap on my head, and I was like, hopefully this gets, you know, my retwist together. I took the cap off after washing my hair. So I think that's where the issue came in, because then my hair probably just poofed up because it wasn't constrained, is that the word I'm trying to use? It wasn't set into place, so it just kind of dried, and then I just think I gradually lost my retwist. I don't think I completely lost it. Some of them still are like This side to me is semi-retwisted compared to this side, which I feel like I definitely have to redo again. But I think the learning lesson in this is if I'm going to wash my hair with the wig cap method, I need to keep that wig cap on until my hair dries. Comment below, let me know if that is the secret to the wig cap and retwist method, because yeah, I need to figure that out because I need water on my hair, okay? Other than that, other than the retwist issue and the itchy scalp issue, I really haven't had much. I did have to go back today, which was so random. This bad boy, which has so much budding and pretty much is locked all at the top, came untwisted all the way to here. So all this was just loose hair. I didn't realize it until I took my ponytail down, and then I realized, oh snap, it's time to retwist because that one is just pretty much living its life on its own, like it doesn't want to lock. But the whole other part of it, the whole other half of it is locked. Craziness. I think I'm going to wait a little bit longer to do a retwist because I'm about to go to Jamaica, so I'm going to put some faux locks in again over this. But I'm only gonna keep those faux locks in for like about, people are blowing me up, but any other time my phone be dry. I'm gonna put faux locks in for maybe like a week and a half or 2 weeks. I'm not gonna keep them in for as long as the last ones just because I feel like it hindered my locking process, only because my hair stretched, like not intentionally, but when I do the locks it is getting pulled, like stretched. So when I take the faux locks out, my hair, as you've seen, was like much longer because it was stretched. So I don't want to keep them in for that long because I don't want to prolong the locking process. Leave a comment or question or anything you have below. Let me know what you guys want to hear or see next, or any methods that you guys suggest or try to keep my retwists fresh and nice. I am going to try the bandana method again. I'm going to go ham and see if it works because I have to go to the gym. I'm not one of those people who could like skimp out of the gym for my hair. It's not happening. So I'm just like getting hype. I just want them to, you know, I'm hoping by my birthday I could hit like at least here. I might be living in the stars. But that would be great if that could happen for my birthday. And I also am thinking about coloring my hair. I've did a lot of research on this, and everybody said to wait at least 4 to 6 months, it seems like, is the window before you start coloring your locks. So if you know anything about that, also leave a comment below because I definitely want to do something for the summer. So not this month or next month, but maybe like June or July. For anybody wondering, for my retwist, I still just use the water and oil. So I know some of you might suggest a product, but I definitely do not want to use any products in my locks. I just strictly want to keep it water and oil. I've heard great things about it for people who do that for their retwist, so I just want to keep it like that. Why are you focusing and then I'm focusing? Like, I'm right here. So like usual, if you want to keep up with me on my lock journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Like usual, find me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine and Snapchat at JaMexican Beauty. I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later. Deuces.